If you are a victim of overthinking, then no matter how long you live, you will not be able to enjoy a single day of your life happily. Why? Because overthinking kills happiness and peace. But do not worry. In this video, I'll share with you 3 practical and unique tips that will help you to beat overthinking in the fastest possible way. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. Today, one of the biggest mental problem most of the people are facing, irrespective of their age or profession, is overthinking. Unfortunately, the intensity of overthinking is so high that people have forgotten how to live without overthinking. This is sad. Why? Because time is moving very fast and overthinking is fueling the process. And because of this, we feel that life is slipping away from our hand. But not anymore. In this video, I'm going to offer you with a practical solution that will help you to kill overthinking before it kills you. So let us begin. So the first exercise is known as brain dumping. All you have to do is, as soon as you get up, just pick up your pen and paper and write down all the thoughts that you see inside your mind. The thoughts can be in the random order or in an organized way. Just observe and do not let any thought pass. Whatever you think, just write that down in the paper. There is only one golden rule for this exercise. Write down in a traditional way. That is, pick up a pen and a paper or a pencil if you prefer, instead of writing it on an electronic device like mobile phone, tablet or a computer. Now, why this works and what is the purpose of this exercise? See, your thoughts are already running inside your mind at a lightning speed. At one point of time, you are in your office. At other point of time, you are at your home. At one point of time, you are with your friends. At other point of time, you are just thinking something which is very random and not needed. But comparatively, your writing is very slow. Hence, when you decide to write down your thoughts on pen and paper, you will have to slow down your thoughts to match your writing. Now, this will completely open a new space of slow thinking, which is a conscious choice that you have made and not a random overthinking. Hence, remember, your end goal should be to match your writing with your thoughts. Do this exercise twice a day for 10 minutes. It is preferred you take this exercise as soon as you get up and before you go to sleep. And just see the magic it is showing. Point number 2 is take a deep breath at the start of every new hour. So make sure that at the start of every new hour, you have to take one single deep breath that is touching your stomach. It is wise to keep a track of time or have a timer handy. As soon as the timer beeps for the new hour, you have to close your eyes and take one single deep breath that is touching your stomach, and you have to smile. So what exactly you will get by doing this exercise? Well, on the surface level, this looks like a de-stressing exercise. But actually what you are doing is, you are training your mind to relax more frequently than what you are doing right now. That is, you are training your mind to relax and be stress-free at the start of every new hour. This will break the chain of overthinking. Hence, in future, whenever you are overthinking, irrespective of any situation you are in, your mind will automatically break that chain at the start of new hour because it is habitual to do this thing. This is probably one of the best exercise recommended to play with your mind to beat overthinking. Also, I would recommend to increase the frequency as the time proceeds. Try to target twice in 1 hour. That is, take one deep breath every half an hour and see how easily and quickly you beat overthinking. Point number 3, check for recurring patterns. See, there will be time in your life when you actually do not overthink. This is mostly when you do the things that you love or you are actually busy. But then when you actually overthink, you tend to go with the flow. And there will be time when you actually come out of that flow randomly. What you have to do is make a note of what exactly you were doing when you were overthinking. That is, when you come out of that overthinking randomly, you have to just make a note of what you were doing when you were overthinking. Were you writing? Were you talking to someone? Were you listening to someone? Were you eating your food? Were you watching television? Whatever you were doing, you have to make sure that you just write that point down. After a week or so, check your notes. You will realize that there is a pattern hidden behind this thing. That is, During a particular time, you overthink a lot, and during a particular time, you do not overthink. Just keep a track of that pattern. Now, once you realize and generate those patterns, your job is to make sure that you break those patterns by doing what you did in point number 2. That is, whenever you realize that you are overthinking more while eating, just take one conscious deep breath all the way to your stomach and smile. What exactly we are doing from point number 2 is that we are not waiting for 1 hour to break the chain. We are consciously taking efforts to break the chain of overthinking, because now we know the pattern of where exactly we overthink. In other words, when you realize the pattern when you overthink a lot and you break that chain, you are increasing your awareness. This increased awareness will help you to beat overthinking easily in future as the time proceeds. So these were the 3 points that will help you to beat overthinking very easily. Now friends, let me be honest with you. Overthinking has a potential to kill all your energy, but in real, we are more stronger than overthinking. Hence, we have to make sure that we kill overthinking before it kills us. I have shared 3 exercises with you. You are free to choose the easiest one as per your understanding and needs and start implementing that in your life. I guarantee you, in a span of 21 days, you will be able to beat overthinking easily. Implement the exercise and do share your feedback with me. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then do hit the thumbs up button. If you feel that this video was really helpful, then take an initiative and share it with your friends and family members and help them to beat their overthinking. Also share your comments, questions or feedback below, and I'll make sure that I answer them. If you're going through any problem in life, then do follow me on social media, where I'll make sure I answer all your queries personally and try to help you. The handles are mentioned in description box below. I have 2 channels on YouTube, that is Samir Trivedi English and Samir Trivedi Hindi, where I upload 1 new video every week. Subscribe both the channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload my new videos. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.